Hi guys, it's been quite a long time and there's been so many reasons why I've not been on YouTube, but I do one or two things one a day. So today I'm going to show a brief unboxing of the Sony XE200, and I'm going to just talk about my first impression. Then later on, if you need more about this, you can just ask me to make more and I will do so. So basically this is what comes in the pack. On top, you have all the manuals, saving paper. Sony is not good at that. You have a USB to USA cable, which is here. And paper, more one. We have the speaker and everything inside is empty. There's nothing inside again. So I'm gonna put all this back inside and put it on one side. So it's just going to be a little bit short of a video, and this is the speaker. Basically, it's meant to be something that goes on the street. Maybe you are outside, I believe. This is rubbery. It's a rubber pad for both front and back. Here is where the old stuff is. We have the power button. This is charging. If it is charging, I think this one comes on. We have the Bluetooth button here to pair with the Bluetooth. Play earphone, which I believe you can use this to listen to the music. The plus button for increasement of the volume, minus for reducing. Battery level or battery something there, and you can mute it so that it doesn't pick any sound. That's what you have on this side. Advert on top, rubbery on the side, and we have a waterproof ceiling on this side also, which I believe is rated for IP67. So that is a USB-C for both charging and everything. Looking at it, you can see the speakers looks like they are just here in front, firing from the front. And I can't seem to get if there's any other speaker. And we have this latch for carrying it around, which I believe. And yeah, let's connect it, pair with and see what we can get from it. So first, power on. Yeah, and now it's asking for you to connect with Bluetooth. So I'm gonna connect it here on my phone. Oh, it's a Bluetooth. I think I connected it already, or it's connected to something else.
My phone, maybe.
Oh, it's connected to something else. So.
Because I have an Android phone, it shows you.
Okay, I'm trying to get it connected. All you just need to do is to press the Bluetooth button, which is going to be blinking. Yeah, it tells you whatever it's doing, Bluetooth pairing. So when it's pairing and it's paired, it just connected and everything goes on fine. So this is the speaker. I'm gonna play music from Streambeat, Sampire Music, Streambeat. So it's not bad. But one thing I can notice from this is it fires only from one side. So it means if you have this on the center of the table, the person enjoying most of this music is the one that is directly in front of it. If I just set it directly to the camera, it reduces here.
Volume.
Yeah. I notice if this is facing towards one person, that person can actually hear the sound very well, and the person behind it reduces a little bit, and there's no other speakers or no other way sound is coming out except this little part of the front. I don't know why Sony covered everything and leave only this front part, but as you can see, it's not very bad. What my first impression is not bad. I think it's not bad. It's not terrible. But what I have concern about is this kind of sound from a speaker that is over 150, or is it 150? I think I have to say I'm not going to jump onto conclusion just now until we take it outside, because this is meant to be used outside. And but for an indoor, if you're not firing it too loud, if it's not too loud, it might be okay. But I think it's not worth the 150 Sony is putting on this.
Yeah,
but
it just came out.
Yeah, but it's new, totally new. Like it just came out, and this is the XE200 that just came out. But I would love, the price. The price is a little bit on the high side. It's not very heavy, so it means you can just hang it by your backpack, or you can just put it in your bag. The reason why I said so is you can see this small one. This is the SRX EB13. And this fires up to the top. And for what it is a very small speaker. I'm just going to play something. This fires up. You can hear the voice. This is not terrible, and this is just under 50.
Yeah, now I think there's a special offer. Saw it yesterday for 29 euros. Something like that.
Yeah, so this is under
Amazon.
50 at Amazon for 29.
I'm not sure if it's still.
For 29 or 30. This is a very, very cheaper one, and this is also from Sony, and you can take this also out anywhere, and this is going to boom out a lot of sound than this. So, but like I said, I'm not going to jump into conclusion now, because when you compare the two of them in size, definitely this is supposed to be much better than this one. This is just sub 50, under 50, and this is 150. So that's 3 times the price, 3 times the size. Until I test this more.
$38.99 at the moment.
Okay, so now it's $38.99. So I'll try to test it more. And if you're interested in seeing more or getting more review about this, I don't want this video to be long. Just put down there in the comment below. And for those of you that have not subscribed, I'll be really happy if you can subscribe. And for those of you that just come around once in a while, click the subscribe button, the bell, so you can get notification when anything comes around. So, you want more video on this? Please tell me in the comment down below. See you next time. Odabo.